This episode of Adventure Tech is brought to you by LiTime. Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We got a powerhouse of a battery here today. We are unboxing, installing, and testing it out, and it's one of LiTime's new automatic self-heating batteries. I'll show you how all that works, but if you're in a hurry and just trying to get that discount, feel free to use our promo code ADVENTURETECH. Get a good deal and help support our channel at the same time. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get right over to that page. Check this out. But for everybody else, let's go ahead and check this battery out. This is the newly released 12-volt, 165 amp-hour battery from LiTime with the automatic self-heating, which can heat itself up even without being connected to any chargers, or you can set it to heat only through external chargers. Very convenient, game changer for self-heating batteries for sure. Plus it has Bluetooth 5.0 built in, super fast real-time info. It includes all the necessary hardware I need to connect this to this small custom-built DIY solar power setup that I'll use to test the battery. It has the 60 amp MPPT solar charge controller that is in between these solar panels and your battery. Also, the inverter is going to let me draw power from the battery and use it like normal power in your house. I like to check and use the proper torque specs. Electrical systems have temperature variations while operating, so proper torque is very important for a safe system. After getting everything all set up, I'm able to get it connected to the app using the code scanner and Bluetooth very quickly and very easily. The LiTime app is super fast and it gives you up-to-date real-time stats, which I really like. First, I want to show you how the self-heating works on this battery. For this test, we got some low temperatures the battery's been exposed to overnight. Similar to ice fishing or winter camping scenario, or maybe if you have a second battery. Currently, this battery is set to regular heating mode, which will only heat if the battery is connected to a charger. I'm going to go ahead and change it to efficient mode to show you how it can heat itself up with no external power, using its own power only. Right now, it is not safe to charge this battery due to temperature, so we gotta heat it up. But after just 25 minutes of self-heating, the battery is already well within safe temp to begin charging and using safely. The heaters inside the battery automatically turn on and off with no input needed at all. Super convenient battery, plus it's going to keep it safe. Not only does this feature help to keep your battery running in extreme scenarios, but also helps to extend the battery overall life by keeping it in a safe temperature range. This is a 165 amp hour battery, so it can output quite a lot more power than your average 100 amp hour battery. So I'm going to be testing that out with my heat gun, which has become so convenient when needing to dial in on a specific amps for these discharge tests. And of course, as usual, LiTime batteries just work well. They have such a range of batteries, which makes it nice on installing and nice on your wallet because the prices are very reasonable while they maintain very great reputation for quality. The newer batteries are really souped up too. It's definitely very exciting to finally get some hands-on experience with these new batteries. Feel free to use the promo code ADVENTURETECH if you're interested in picking up one of these batteries and getting a nice discount with that. Use the links in the comments or the description. You get right over to that page, get a good deal and help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. Subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, but make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about all this new tech.